reveal my face in on count 3, 2, 1, go. So you can see this magic happen. Oh wow, your face is looking like a cartoon character. Yeah. So I will do another magic on my face by simply closing my face in front of you and get a snow effect like boom. So I can do all magics with my face and I can create a snow winter vibes by like this, and I can got a medal like this. So you can see this is a golden medal with chart. So I can do also my face like this. Ooh. Yeah, you're gonna like it. But I have so many filters like this also. Ooh. I can wear a mask instantly. Yeah. Ooh. Can check it out. So I can wear a Joker mask. All these magics can do in your PC, but in your screen recorder, in meetings or any meeting apps like Google Meet or Zoom or any screen recorders by simply changing the settings. So in a 4-3-1 count. So I can wear simply a black mask. Wow, so cool. I can become a joker. You know, joker. Ooh. Oh my god. This man is so crazy. I have very latest versions like this. So you can see Joker movie. So I can become Joker. Eeh. So all this can be done with simply one application. So you want to watch it till end. So then you can get the application and you can do magic with your face like this. This is chromonicle filter. This is rainbow filter. And this is patch filter. Cool, eh? Yeah. And this is sparkles. And these are cross eyes. This is portrait mode. Wow. Looking gorgeous. And this is ghost effect. My god. You can see it clearly by simply the light. My god. Now we came to the second part of this video, that is how do you make all this stuff, that crazy stuff, the masks, the filters, all this by simply installing a application called Snap Camera. It is similar to Snapchat, but it is a PC version which is easy to download and use it in screen recorders and any Zoom meetings and etc. purposes. But how to install it, I will show you now. You can see my screen by simply clicking on Google search. We will search as Snap Camera. So as you can see here, snapcamera.snapchat.com, we can use along with our applications the filters are applied to the cameras of your default. So by simply setting some settings in a camera, you can get the filter effects. As you can see here, this is a interface of the Snap Camera website. So you can directly download. But before downloading, I want to tell you the important topic, which is the system requirements. So in which system it runs, very clearly and clarity. As you can see, even my laptop also hanged sometimes, but not all the time. So operating system OS, which is called shortcut OS, Windows 10 should be compulsory, and Mac or anything, no problem. Hardware minimum Intel iCore i3, Intel Core i3 should be there, or AMD FX, or that is a out of countries version. In India, only Intel's core will be there. But when you take Asus laptop or all the stuff, you have to need minimum AMD FX 4300. So some internal graphics should be there, and screen resolution of the camera should be HD resolution. Okay. So click download. I already downloaded. So this is the website, snapcamera.snapchat.com. I will post this website link in my description below. So you would like to click on it and directly it redirect to the website. So after downloading, just click here and download. So after download, here will be we get an setup box. It will be downloaded. Then we will see it in the downloads. Okay. So search in this PC, downloads. It will appear here. I have already downloaded, and it was restored in a setup folder. As you can see here, where is the snap camera? This is the snap camera. Please click on it. I have already installed it. Please click on it, and it will ask license agreement, and then install next, and do all that. As you know, you have installed several applications in your PC or laptop. So it is a PC or laptop version, which is very cool. As I seen in the first part, I have shown you various filters. In the last of the video, I will also show the various filters. So now we will see snap camera. Just click on it, then it will ask next or OK, and then install, and it will ask license agreement. Tick the box license agreement. So after that, you will have a desktop icon like here. As you can see here, I will move this to the upper. Okay, this is the snap camera icon. Click on it. Here the camera input is not available because I am using this camera for screen recording purpose. So here the camera is not available. When I quitted it, as you can see on the first video part, it has available, and I have applied various filters like this. As you can see here, anime style, animated style filters. You can also keep star mark, which will add to the favorites. As you can see here, favorites. These are all my these all are my favorite filters which I use. Mask version, as you can see in the first video, jokers, and then spectacles, and disco light. Saturday night party I have song, that filter. This is anime style, and then these are all the favorite versions. So you can click on the filter here. As you can see here, if we click a favorite, it will go to the favorite section. So this step you have to install it. I will record another video as before the first video, so you can clearly get an idea. Here you can means. So this is from my offline PC screen recorder. As you see, my face is online PC screen recorder. So when we use online screen recorder, we cannot choose the settings. So when we use offline, you can see, as I am not using my face, I'm only using my PC screen recorder. So this is my effect, which is I am in front of my cam, but you are not seeing. This is from snap camera. When we want to use in your screen recorder or any camera, like default camera application, see this camera application. So if you type this button, change camera, it switches from snap cam to and original default web camera when we switch it. So so another one camera is using. So you can see the effect, or you can instantly switch for the effects by clicking here snap camera, right click on it, and anime style. So you can see my animation style. So by this way you can switch it. So this is my I am using offline screen recorder. Then we want to change the lenses. We can add favorites. So I will go to last one. This is snow effect, and this is neon shadow. When we change that, it our shadow appears, and this is a crying method. So when we choose that, we can screen record automatically. and this is the skull version. You want to change your filters. This is two frames filter. As you can see here, this will not applicable on basic one, but it will applicable on see. So this is the two frame filter. As you can see, this is my default app. You can see the date also. This is my default Windows camera, and this is SnapCam. And when we click, we will change the free and file. You can change the colors also by clicking here. Oh no, by clicking here. So you can set your file. Oh wow, it's excellent. You can charge it wolf. Wolf version. This is the wolf version, and this is angel version, and this is pets, cool pets. You can use it for professional purposes and etc. So, and this is eyes. You can change your eyes lenses. So you can choose which eye you want. So by clicking on pink and then orange and then red and then black. Black is coefficient, but you use blue. It's very effective. See, you can see here. So this is awesome. By this way, you have to change the settings. Here, again go to favorites. Use portrait mode. This is the portrait mode. Is your background will be blur like this. This is the portrait mode you have to use, and then okay, wait. This is the portrait mode, and then this is the background. Goblin. Oh, sorry, share. This is the purple light, and this is sleep depression. As you can see here, this is the golden chain I used. Shark golden chain. As you can see here, this is the shark golden chain. Lightning on my face. Yeah, so it's a cool effect in animation style. This is the spares, cool spares. I will go on auto. This is X shape. Oh my god. So this is screen capture, as you know. By this way, if you like this video, please subscribe the below subscribe button and then press the like button and then share it to the below ones, your friends and etc. Thank you.